guys, welcome back to my channel. Christmas is just around the corner, so today I'm doing a dewy Korean style holiday makeup inspired by silver bells. COVID is still making it hard to get together, but this is an easy look that'll make you glow and hopefully give some holiday cheer. So let's get started. First, I'm moisturizing and priming my face. For foundation, I'm going in with fuller coverage first and then layering on a dewier finish. I'm then applying concealer on my high points to catch the light. The look is dewy, so I'm just slightly brushing on setting powder on my under eyes and nose. I'm filling in my brows now, but I'll apply brow gel after I apply the glitter. I'm then contouring my face, nose bridge and nose, and chin. I'm also slightly shadowing my upper lip to create a pout. Next, I'm starting to shade my under eyes, aka aegyeosal. This is a must for Korean makeup as it creates a young, cutesy look. My eyes are a bit puffy since I just woke up, so I'm putting on double eyelid tape before applying eyeshadow. I'm then patting on a frosty silver color on my eyelids with a flat brush. To make the silver pop, I'm dabbing on eye gloss just on the center of my eyelids and topping it off with the white blue glitter. I'm then using a fluffy brush to brush off any fallout glitter and then applying brow gel. I'm defining the aegyeosal with the flat stiff brush and the contour powder from earlier. I'm then using concealer to do a mini cut crease and applying a white highlighter on the center of the aegyeosal. I'm then using the highlighter on the inner corners of my eyes and brow bone. With a dark silver eyeliner, I'm lining just the outer corners of my upper lash lines and using an angled brush to slightly blend it out. This will create a softer look and open up the eyes. I'm then curling my lashes and applying mascara. For blush, I'm brushing on a light pink high above my cheekbones and then blending in some red to give my face a flushed look. To give my cheeks that dewy finish, I'm dabbing on the gloss from earlier on the high points of my cheekbones. I'm then highlighting my forehead, nose, cupid's bow, and chin. I'm first using a sheer nude and slightly overdrawing my lips. I'm then applying a bright red lipstick to the center of my lips and blending it outwards to meet the sheer nude. And that's it! If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Also leave any thoughts or suggestions for more makeup looks in the comments down below. See you soon!